We'd like to thank our sponsor, Accident Centers of Texas. Now, they strive to provide superior quality chiropractic care that's tailored to fit each patient's individual needs. And joining us today is Dr. Jay Nias. Hi, sir. How are you?
Doing great. Yolanda, how are you?
I'm fine. I'd love for you to share more about what motivated you to start Accident Centers of Texas. How did you come up with the idea and what was involved in making it a reality?
Yes, ma'am. I started the practice. It's been over 20 years now, and started with one clinic in Frisco. And at the time that I was able to help a lot of people, and then I find out that people have been injured in an accident, and that's really they need help from people like us, like the chiropractors, and who does physical therapy, rehab, and things in that nature. And that was kind of I'm getting more into it, and over the years that I liked it, started to like it more, and I noticed that a lot of people are needing help in different aspect of the practice. I mean, on the healthcare, which is the medical needs, they need x-rays, they need MRIs, and they need specialty doctors and all different types of help, not only chiropractic care. So then I come up with an idea, how can I implement more types of specialty care for this kind of patients? So slowly adding into it, and over the years kind of grown, and into 10 clinics in Dallas and 2 in Austin, and still enjoying it, and the motivation hasn't stopped.
Wow. Okay, so what can a patient expect during their very first appointment at Accident Centers of Texas?
That's a very good question. Whenever the patient goes into the chiropractor's office, they're thinking, oh my gosh, I'm already hurting, and are they gonna pop my back, or are they gonna hurt me more? So that's completely not true.
Okay.
What happens when you're coming to our office, usually after an accident, we are trying to evaluate the patient and exactly do a good diagnosis, see what's wrong with you, like your body's been injured, been traumatized, and what is exactly hurting you, which area of the body, and what possibly could be wrong. So we do a thorough evaluation, examination for the patient, do a good diagnosis, and based on that we do some x-rays, and our doctors are very experienced and specialize in this kind of seeing this kind of patients.
Oh, that's fantastic. Okay, could you walk us step by step through what takes place? You know, if someone doesn't have an attorney yet, does your team help them?
Absolutely, yes. If we don't have an attorney, that's not a problem. Our goal is to help our clients with the process, which is we can help you to file their claim. And of course, we all know that sometimes the insurance company doesn't want to agree with you.
Right.
So we work with several attorneys in town, and they are all also specialized in personal injury. So that's, we kind of pair you up with the right attorney who can help your type of case. So yes, that's an option for us, for the patient, so we can help them as well.
Okay, so I understand Austin is your latest clinic, and you got a total of 12 clinics across Texas. What is your vision for the future growth and expansion of Accident Centers of Texas?
Great. And it's we've been trying to help as many people we can. And of course, Dallas is a big city, and we expand as much we could. And my passion for this hasn't stopped. And that's a slow process, it takes time, but we made it to Austin, and we are still want to expand, maybe a little bit outside of Austin and surrounding areas of Austin, other parts of Texas. Yeah, we have a vision to have more clinics coming up and help as many injured victims in Texas as possible.
Well, Dr. Nias, thank you for all of that great information. Again, we'd like to thank Dr. Nias for being here, and our sponsor, Accident Centers of Texas.